Hi guys, good evening. Now we transform here in our restaurant. After in the house, after we eating dinner, we come in our restaurant to check the sales and to get all the sales what they have today. So that's my I cook it in the house for our dinner. That is my cooking show today. And now I just make this video to say thank you to all who comments, who still support me. And now I see that it's another people who subscribe me. Thank you so much. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I just reading some comments, but some is I not did reply. Thank you for all your care. I'm happy today. I already feel better, and I am happy also because someone's calling tomorrow to someone's want to visit us also Polish from Bigos with the wife. So at least now I can entertain them. So I already feel better, no cough, but I still continue medicine. But at least I have confidence now to talk with you, to make a video every day. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. My channel of my husband and mine. Thank you. And now, okay, I will give this video for you. Let's do some cooking. Okay, first, while waiting my meat is tender, I have calamansi juice with honey for the healthy. Okay. So, I just make the tender. Now, I will cook tuna soup with malunggay, with moringa. Okay. But this time, I will be in the house making video because I'm not going out today. I'm so tired yesterday and I want to relax my body. So now, you see, I am just making here in our house. I cook our dinner, so mini ginger. So ginger is very healthy. My pork already tender. My pork is already cooked. It's really like that. Before for our soup, put our tomato, put our onion, and let's put our ginger. Okay. Now I have also salad. I will make some salad. Finish. Onion. Okay. So, let's put there in the top. Okay. Let's put our fish. Let's put our fish. May ginger inside. Or cabbage. I add also tomato for my salad. Tomato, onion, cucumber, and the meat. Or moringa. So it will be our soup for tonight. Okay, I have papaya marked by yes. Okay, let's cut our papaya. As always, we have rice. Let's wake up Daddy for dinner. He is sleeping. Daddy, let's eat dinner. I already done cooking. And you have healthy dinner tonight. Come. This is our dinner. Healthy dinner tonight. And we have calamansi juice, soup, salad, and papaya.